Yes, I was able to create this entire video completely with AI. Everything you just saw in the video has been created using AI, from the visuals to the background music. And here's the best part. I have done this using only one AI tool. Yes, you heard that right. Now, you don't need to go through different websites for different content creation needs. You can just do all of them in one place, from images to videos to even sound effects. Do you know some YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars every single month by only uploading AI movie trailers like this? Yes! Just take a look at this YouTube channel. It has 300,000 subscribers, and all they do is upload AI-generated movie trailers like this. You can see all of their videos get a crazy amount of views. And yes, this channel is fully monetized, if you are wondering, and from here, you can see how much money they are making every single month. It is crazy, isn't it? Now, if we play one of their videos, we can see that they use AI voiceovers, AI background music, and AI video clips to make these awesome viral videos. But no need to worry, because in today's video, I am going to show you step by step how you can create awesome movie trailers using this one single tool and start earning from your Faceless YouTube channel. I am going to show you every step in detail, so make sure you pay close attention and watch this video until the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The name of the tool is SjinnAI. I have been using this tool for a while now, and it is just incredible. It is all the latest and greatest AI tools like VO3, Minimax, Kling, Runway, Flux, etc. built in, and you can just use this tool to create amazing content easily. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. From here, click on Tools, and it will take you to this page. As you can see from here, it has all the latest and greatest AI tools available. It has Flux's latest model, Flux Context, Kling's latest models, it has VO3, and also has the latest image to video option. It also has all the Flux image models, it has GPT image, so basically, you can create anything you want with this, whether it's baby podcasts like this, or creating these kinds of Bigfoot vlogs, or amazing videos like this. It's all up to your imagination. First, let me show you how easy it is to create a video using this tool. So first, you need to go to the workspace section, then click on Create New Project. Now here, all you need to do is write a simple prompt. So I will just give it this simple prompt and hit Generate. That's it. You literally don't need to do anything else. It will automatically do everything for you. It will analyze your prompt, then generate the script, then generate images, and turn them into videos, and put everything together to create your final video. It works just like magic. Now, this process could take some time depending on your prompt and the complexity of the task. And here is the video that it has created.
Ever stood beneath a towering mystery? Welcome to the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built over 4,500 years ago, it held the record for the tallest man-made structure for nearly 4 millennia. Imagine that. No modern machinery, no wheels, yet over 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighing 80 tons, were stacked with incredible precision. How? It's perfectly aligned with true north and contains chambers whose purpose still baffles us. Tomb, power plant, or something more? The enduring symbol of ancient ingenuity. What ancient secrets do you
Wow, that was fantastic, and we made this only using a single prompt, which is just crazy to think about. Now, before, you had to use different tools, spending a lot of time and effort, but now you can just give it a prompt and you're done. Now, as you can see, this video does not have a subtitle, so let me show you how you can add subtitles easily. First, you need to go to Tools from here, and then go to the second page and select this Add Subtitle option. Next, you need to upload the video here. After that, you can choose whether to have the subtitle word for word or by sentence. I will go with word, and for the position, I will keep it at center and hit generate, and it will add the subtitle. And it works perfectly fine without any errors. Here's how it looks with the subtitle.
Ever stood beneath a towering mystery? Welcome to the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built over 4,500 years ago, it held the record for the tallest man-made structure for nearly 4 millennia. Imagine that. No modern machinery, no wheels, Yet over 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighing 80 tons, were stacked with incredible precision. How? It's perfectly aligned with true north.
That was pretty awesome, wasn't it? Now you can add subtitles to your videos easily using SjinnAI. And now let me show you how I was able to create this awesome looking trailer using SjinnAI. But before that, you need to choose a topic for your trailer. You can choose any topic you like, and you can also ask the AI to give you some suggestions. I have selected the Avengers for this because I'm a big fan, and I know all the characters and stories very well. After the topic is done, you need to create a scene draft like I did using ChatGPT. Once the draft is ready, it is time to generate all the images required. To do that, click on Tools, and now from here, you need to select the image model. I will use Flux Pro Ultra because that is the best in terms of creating cinematic images. Next, you need to give it a prompt here. Now, according to my scene draft, the first scene is of New York City in ruins, so I will give it this simple prompt. Cinematic scene of New York City in ruins, top view. Next, you can also change the aspect ratio from here if you want. I will keep it at 16:9 and hit generate. And here is the result. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. It really looks like a scene from a movie, isn't it? Now let's generate the next scene image. This time I'm going to give it this prompt. Cinematic scene of Loki standing. Then hit generate, and here is the output. As expected, it looks awesome. Now all you need to do is follow this exact step to generate all the images required according to your draft. Once you are done with that, it's time to turn them into videos. To do that, let's go to the tools again, and then you can select the video model from here. As you can see, it has all the best AI video generators available. I will go with Minimax's latest model because I believe that it is the best right now for cinematic videos. Now you can also click here and choose your favorite video model. As you can see, it has all the best video models available. After that, you need to upload the image from here. Next, I will give it this very simple prompt. Next, you can select the duration of the video. It supports up to 10 seconds. For now, I will go with 6 seconds. Now for the model, I will go with Pro because I want the best possible result and hit generate. And here is the output. Just take a look, folks. It looks so amazing. The movements are so smooth. It really looks like a scene from an actual movie. This is just too good. Now let's turn the next image into a video using the exact same method. I will also use the same simple prompt because for Minimax, the simpler the prompt, the better the result. And here is the output. Just look at this. This is just outstanding. Now repeat this step until you generate all the videos. It is that easy, guys. Imagine how many different tools you had to use before this, but now it's just all here. And now let me show you how you can even create the background music for your movie trailer. It's very simple. First, you need to look for this background music tool and click on it. Next, you need to write your music style here. I will write these styles based on my trailer and then simply click on generate. And here's how it sounds. Wow, that was incredible, and I think this will fit perfectly with my movie trailer. Next, I have edited it a little bit on CapCut to add some filters and background music, and here is the final result. That was simply outstanding, wasn't it? I can guarantee you never thought making a trailer like this would be this easy. Well, it is now because of SjinnAI. After this, you don't need to take subscriptions to 10 different AI tools. You can use them all here and save a lot of your hard-earned money. Now, once you sign in, they will give you 1,000 free credits to create. But if you are really serious about creating quality content, then I would suggest you take a subscription. The price is very reasonable. Instead of spending $10 each for 10 different tools, you can just take the SjinnAI subscription for $10 and get access to all these tools. Just think about it. With only $10, you are getting access to ChatGPT, Flux, Minimax, Kling Pro, VO3, Seedance, Luma Labs, and so many more, which individually would have cost you more than $100. I will put the link in the description. You can go and check that out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.